2018 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, radio data system, 4-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.